What's up, it's Wavy Boy Productions, and I'm about to show you a quick tutorial on how to create a Gmail account. First thing you want to do is open up your browser and type in Gmail. Then you click this link right here where it says Gmail email from Google. Then it should take you to this page right here. The next thing you want to do is click this button right here where it says create account, that's blue in the bottom left. After you click create account, it's going to give you three options: my personal use, for my child, for work, or for business. This one I'm going to select my personal use since I'm not connecting it to a Gmail account that I already have. This one is going to be a brand new email, so we're going to select my personal use. Next is going to take you to this screen right here where it's going to ask to fill out your name information, your username that you want to create for your email, and your password. The next thing you want to do is fill in your first name and last name for this Google account that you're about to create. Next, you want to fill in your username. After that, you create your password. Your password has to be more than 8 letters and have a combination of numbers and symbols. Next, you got to put in your password again, and both passwords have to match. It might ask you to verify your phone number, so you're going to have to put in your phone number to get a code from Google. Click the blue next button in the bottom right once again. Enter the code that they sent to your phone. Click verify. After clicking verify, this should be the screen that comes up. They're going to ask to enter your birth date, so enter your birth date and gender, and then click the next button. Click the blue next button in the bottom right. On this screen, you could choose to set up Google calls or not. Right here, I'm going to click skip. This is Google's privacy terms and conditions. You should probably read through it, give it a quick glimpse just to see what it's talking about. They want to save some of your data online automatically if you don't click the show more option. So I click show more option, click don't save, and then click I agree after. And then your Google account should be created. Also, you should have access to all Google's features. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more videos, more content.